Man, that was really dangerous. What are you looking at? Let's check everything out. Do you see it?
No, I just see it.
There it is. It's holding a bat. Oh my gosh.
It has blood on it. Who did she kill?
Run!
Oh my gosh. What's going on here?
Oh. No! Why is everything pitch black?
I don't know. I can't see anything.
Can you?
No. This isn't funny. Do I feel something?
No, probably not.
Hey, let's just do that.
We're safe, but it's not that light. The doll's not there anymore. Where'd it go?
Wait, I found the bat.
Oh gosh.